Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk more about demand curve and supply curve. So, demand curve and supply curve. More. Let us take a demand curve. Here this is quantity, this is O, and this is price. Now this is a demand curve which is downward sloping, and let us take a supply curve. We have price on the y-axis, O, and this is quantity. Here this is the supply curve. Now what does this point of the demand curve show? With this point A, it shows that this price, say P1, quantity demand is Q1. And what does this point B show? It shows that at price P2, quantity demand is Q2. Note that there are 2 points here, A and B. There can be many points on the demand curve, C, D, E, or F. Each and every point shows the price and the quantity demand at that price. The price and the quantity demand at that price. Again, the price and the quantity demand at that price. Again, what does this point of the supply curve show? Say this point is T. It shows that at this price, quantity supplied is this. So if this is P1, quantity supply is say Q1. Again, what does this point R show? It shows that at this price of P2, quantity supply is Q2. Just like demand curve, there are numerous points on the supply curve. Each and every point shows quantity supplied at a specific price. The quantity supplied at a specific price. Now, both demand curve and supply curve can be non-linear. This is price axis and this is quantity axis. We have here quantity, this is O, this is price. So this can be a demand curve, and this is quantity, this is O, this is price. This can be a supply curve. Or we have price here on the y-axis. Demand curve can have a shape like this, and quantity, this is O, this is price. Supply curve can have a shape like this. What does this point of the demand curve show? It shows that at this price, this is the quantity demand, and if price decreases to this point, price decreases to this point, quantity demand increases from here to here. Similarly, this is a point on the nonlinear supply curve. This is the quantity supply at this price of P1. If price increases to say P2, Then at this price, Q2 will be the quantity supplied. So if price increases with everything else equal, quantity supplied also increases. Though demand and supply curves can be linear or non-linear, in this course we will consider both demand curve and supply curve to be linear. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.